What if I told you there's a planet where it rains molten glass sideways, or that a cloud of alcohol exists in deep space with enough booze to make 400 trillion pints of beers? Space is way weirder than you might think, so buckle up, because today we are diving into the most mind-blowing facts about our universe. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Alright, let's start with something that will absolutely mess with your perception of reality. The universe is big, and I don't mean, oh wow, that's big. I mean so big that your brain cannot comprehend it. You might have heard that the universe is about 13.8 billion years old, so logically, the farthest we should be able to see is 13.8 billion light years, right? Nope. Because the universe itself has been expanding faster than the speed of light. The observable universe is actually 93 billion light years across. That means that if you traveled at the speed of light from one end to the other, it would take you, well, longer than the universe has existed. In other words, even if we somehow figured out how to travel at light speed, there are parts of the universe we will never, ever reach. But hold up, it gets even crazier. Scientists have found a structure in space so ridiculously huge that it shouldn't even exist according to our understanding of physics. It's called the Hercules Corona Borealis Great Wall, and it's a cosmic filament of galaxies stretching over 10 billion light years across. Let's put that into perspective. Our Milky Way, just 100,000 light years across. This structure, 10 billion. It's so massive that even light itself would take over 10 billion years to travel from one end to the other. The problem? According to our current physics, structures this big shouldn't even have had enough time to form in the history of the universe, and yet, there it is. But maybe you're thinking, okay, cool, the universe is big, but how many galaxies are actually out there? The answer? More than you can count. Take this image for example. This is the Hubble Deep Field, one of the most jaw-dropping images ever taken. It looks like a bunch of stars, right? No. Every single dot is an entire galaxy. And this tiny patch of sky, it's about the size of a grain of sand held at arm's length. That means that if you hold up a single grain of sand and look at the sky, in that tiny speck of space, there are 10,000 galaxies, each containing hundreds of billions of stars, and who knows how many planets. First up, meet HD 189733b, a beautiful deep blue planet that looks a lot like Earth until you get closer. Because instead of oceans and clouds, this place has winds blasting at 5,400 miles per hour. And oh yeah, it rains molten glass. Imagine stepping outside and instantly being shredded by tiny shards of liquid glass moving at hurricane speeds. If that's not terrifying enough, those winds are so fast that they could circle the entire planet in just 5 hours. So, if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe,